I'm Brandon Hurd. I'm the founder and managing director of Hurd Construction Management.
My name's Mark Scullion. I'm an executive vice president and partner with Hurd Construction Management.
So I started BHR's companies. I felt there was an opportunity in the marketplace at the time to help people bring commercial real estate, construction management, and building solutions to the marketplace. And over time, that really turned into an opportunity for us to highlight the construction management owners rep services, and that's where Hurd Construction Management was formed. Our main goal with Hurd Construction Management is to help retailers, restaurateurs, business owners, tenants take their construction goals and expand their business into the marketplace. Whether it's a single location, a multiple location, we really want to help them in the Southeast expand their footprint with their business. So one of the things that we have to do is we spend most of our time planning. There's an old cliche saying, measure twice, cut once. We really believe in that process. And it's not just from the construction. Construction from my perspective is really a phase 3 or a phase 4 step of the overall construction. And what contracting and construction is following instructions. It defines the who, the what, the where, the when, the why, identifies the problems that are likely to present and before they actually become problems and how we can eliminate those in the overall strategy.
Brandon and I both come from large companies, and large companies have tons of firepower, expertise. They got a department for everything, and sometimes those larger organizations can be more bureaucratic. They can take a longer time to get to a decision because larger companies like to do things their way, not necessarily your way. We have to be nimble, we have to be flexible, we have to be responsive. Brandon and I always have to be directly involved in customer relationships. I think we want to bring the firepower of a larger company, but we never want to lose that small company feel.
So it's important to hire a construction manager, owner's representative, because they're looking out for your best interest. A general contractor is designed to inherently follow instructions. So if you don't have clear instructions, a clear plan, a clear strategy, then the relationship is not set up for the most success. As a construction manager, as your owner's rep, we work for you to make sure that your interest, your plan, your strategy is clear before putting out the instructions for somebody to bid.
We really believe in advisory as a superpower of our company. I mean, we really do help companies execute a strategic plan versus just build something. The fact that we have a more strategic relationship with our customer allows us to actually have a more strategic relationship with the better general contractors throughout the state, because they know when Hurd Construction Management calls them, there's a very high likelihood that there's a well thought out project that they can succeed in.
There's a lot of different things that have to be considered. You got site selection, you have construction planning and phasing, you have the actual design engineering of the space, then you have the actual construction, and at the very end you have all the outfitting, getting everything up and running before you can actually open the register. So our goal is to take all of those different services and program management, put it together to help owners get that process complete sooner than later, and do it with speed and efficiency in the marketplace. We take the broad experience of the commercial building solution to the table. So we're not just a construction company, we're an owner's advisory service. So when you bring in commercial real estate mindset, strategic program project management mindset, you bring in the mindset, the background and planning of construction, and we are a licensed contractor so we can do the work. We're able to see problems from not only an owner's perspective, but a contractor's perspective and a project manager's perspective. Allows us to negotiate with our vendors in a very effective and meaningful way, and allows us to get things done. And for us, that brings a lot of value to clients because we make it very easy. And I think our clients really get a lot out of that.